Manufacturing quality control is becoming increasingly more complex. Parts and assemblies are getting smaller, more intricate, with tighter tolerances. Quality compliance standards are more demanding as well, costing hours in paperwork for every part you make. That's why High QA is reimagining the quality management process. Our comprehensive quality management software optimizes your quality planning, inspecting, and reporting with intuitive tools that help your teams deliver high-quality parts in record time. High QA's advanced OCR technology supports both 3D models and 2D prints, enabling fast and accurate automatic ballooning with just a single click. It's that simple. Once ballooned, inspection planners can easily assign criticality, define inspection tools and methods, and even group dimensions into specific operation steps. Since our planning tools are paperless, revisions are pushed to the shop floor in real time. Inspection results are immediately available as well, with automatic synchronization from CMMs and our shop floor data collection apps. Reporting is just as simple. In a few clicks, our software can generate fully customizable first article inspections, PPAPs, or any other report formats you might need, all just in minutes instead of hours. From small-town job shops to global enterprises, High QA is trusted by manufacturers around the world. We're helping companies at all levels, and we can help you too. Experience the High QA difference. Contact one of our quality specialists today.